Boom! This is an update video on the proposed new Enugu City. We are here, as you can see. This place is just off the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway, Independence Layout Phase 2. This is supposed to be the biggest housing project in Enugu. It's actually called the new Enugu City. Alright, and we're back here to give you an update of what is happening here. So if you watch to the end of this video, you will see some amazing updates, and of course I'm going to be showing you what is within and around this place and why I think this place is going to be viable. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing, like this video and share with other people. This is the Ebenezer Anglican Church at Independence Layout Phase 2. So this is actually a beautiful environment. So like I was saying, please like this video and share with as many people as possible. Now, about 5 months ago, I was here on a video tour. We brought you updates on this place. I mean, we brought you the first video of this place, and the fact is that I want to always bring you updates on real estate right here in Enugu. And since I had brought you a previous video, I thought to bring you a sequel video. This is the road leading into the proposed new Enugu City. This is supposed to be the biggest housing project in Enugu. The Enugu State Government, through the Ministry of Housing, are those handling this project. So we came here today to bring you an update and see what is happening, see the progress of work. The first thing you would notice here is the size of the road leading into this housing project. It's actually a very big housing project, and the update here is the drainages. Like you can see, last time we came here they were working on one side. I think now they are trying to work on the other side, even though sincerely the progress of work is not as much as I anticipated it to be. But well, we won't deny there's a level of progress or a level of work going on here. Like I said, the first thing that is I think is very impressive is the size of the road leading into this new Enugu City. This place, new Enugu City, remember that population is moving from the densely populated Independence Layout to Ugwuanyi Road, New Haven, towards this axis. That's the Enugu-Port Harcourt Express, across the express. The first thing we notice here is that there are some tractors or some equipment on site, not as many as it used to be. I want to assume that it's because the year is just beginning now. The rate of work is a bit slow, but on getting to this site, we saw these tractors. I think it just came, and men here trying to do some work around here. This is a dozer, but at least there is some work in sight right within this environment. This housing project is massive. We couldn't go in and look at all of it, so we turned at some point and we started going back because it's just a massive project. We turned right here and we're going back. This place is supposed to have full electricity. It's supposed to have a hospital. Remember I said it's going to be like a city. There are a couple of tractors on ground, like you can see, and then the progress of work, at least on the drainages, has gone farther than the last time we were here, which was almost 5 months ago. I'll leave a link to that video up there or down in the description if you had not watched it, so you can go back watch it. I did a little more explanation in that video. This is just like a follow-up. Now this particular project is supposed to have a civil servants estate inside it. Now aside from the site that will be sold to the individuals, there's going to be a civil servants estate, there's going to be an international market, there's going to be serious security network, estate lots, there's going to be a recreation center, it's also going to be a central business district, amongst so many other things like organized open spaces. So we decided to take a right turn from this road to go into the Independence Layout Phase 2 rather than go through the express and new Artisan. We decided to follow through Independence Layout Phase 2, this side of Independence Layout Phase 2, and see where this road actually leads us to. We know that people live around here, and this is why I feel like this project is supposed to be a good project, because it's actually in a residential environment, even though this is new Independence Layout Phase 2. But you can see people have built their houses, people have moved in, especially people that have shops or businesses at the new Kengeta building material market, which is the biggest building material market currently in Enugu and is growing more. Those people need somewhere to live, those people need somewhere to build their warehouses, and that is why I think this is a very viable place to buy buy a piece of property. Independence Layout Phase 1, of course, we all know that area, I mean, with your 30, 40, 50 million naira, you may not even find a plot of land to buy. So a lot of people are now moving towards this side. You can see that there's life here, there are buildings, and people actually live here. This is why I feel like this is going to be a good project. So we drove through Independence Layout Phase 2, and we wanted to really know where this road actually leads to. Like, this road straight down leads somewhere. Look at this. In as much as the road is not hard, but you can see some life within this environment. This is Independence Layout Phase 2, right across the road from Enugu Port Harcourt Express. So we came in from the new Enugu City entrance, that's off Enugu Port Harcourt Express, and then we passed through this road, and we're supposed to come out at the end of this road. Now, can you guess where this road actually leads to? Anyways, I was as curious as you are, and I had never really passed through this road, so I was curious. I needed to know where this road was leading to, and we just kept driving. Oh, by the way, if you're enjoying this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you can see this type of property tours from time to time, as I just tour Enugu and bring to you real estate update right here in Enugu. That's basically what I do from time to time on this channel. So please consider subscribing, like this video. I didn't realize we're in Premier Layout. Now apparently you can connect Independence Layout Phase 2 to Premier Layout. I was shocked. I was as shocked as you are. And this is Premier Layout. This is the layout behind New Artisan. Like, you can see, if you can see this, you can recognize this place. Or if you have a house around here, you can recognize this place. And I was shocked, you know, because I had never passed through that road before. And there, right there, is Premier Layout. So at this junction now, to the right goes to Goshen Estate. Okay, this to the right here goes to Goshen Estate, and then to the left is New Artisan. You can see Goshen Estate down there. I don't know if you can see clearly. Yeah, that's it there. That's Goshen down there. All right, we're going towards New Haven. We just connected this road. This is New Artisan. So in the opposite direction is Goshen Estates in Enugu, and then across the road there is New Artisan. So from here we can connect Independence Layout, we can connect New Haven. So yeah, that's basically it. All right, we'll bring you updates as soon as work resumes. It doesn't look like a lot is going on currently. Some relative progress considering the last time we were there about 5 months ago. We're just going to take you on the drive all the way to New Haven. I mean, enjoy our beautiful city of Enugu. We're going to Independence Layout, then we'll pass through Nza Street, through New Haven Primary School, and we'll come out in New Haven. And that's where we're going to end this video. So enjoy the rest of this video. We're heading to William. Thank you so much. Again, hit the like button. Please consider subscribing or subscribe to this channel so that you can enjoy this type of videos from time to time. I'm Jeff Anozie, your favorite real estate consultant right here in Enugu, Nigeria. Thank you so much, and bye for now.